Time check.
8:44 p.m. Nigerian time. You guessed right. This is Billionaire City by Cedarwood, Amashai Quarters, Okpanam. And we are glad to announce to you that our solar-enabled lamps now keep the estate lit at night. It is a fulfillment of one of our many promises to you to deliver the first tech-themed estate in the city of Asaba. Other development stages include water supply, completion of perimeter fencing, gatehouse, estate office, sport complex and variety block housing the tech hub and co-work space, fitness center and spa as well as grocery store. Before plots start selling at 25 million naira per 464 square meter, we invite you to subscribe today.